Back to GCV Games. Today is a vlog, a mini vlog. So according to where I am right now, I am currently at a mining area, gold panning, gemstone and stuff. So let me show you guys what I mine out so far. Let me go into the shade so I can show you.
Yeah,
Lon, bring
I got a diamond. I got all this.
Okay, Lon, bring it here.
My turn.
Give me his part. I'll hold his plastic bag. Lon, you don't leave him. Give me his plastic bag.
Wait.
Let's bring it over here. And then we will see what we have.
Julian, you're supposed to pick it up for three, only three, and then the next person.
I don't know what you mean.
We got some nice rock. Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
We're right over here. So I got a full bag of gems, and there's one specific gem that I really admire the most, which just looks like this. It's so cool, right? So yeah, right now we are headed to the hotel, about an hour away from here, and we've been here for half an hour. We got quite a bit of a gem, so we are going inside here. Let me show you around the general store, the main shop. So let's give you guys. So we are in San Diego, known as where should we call it? Julian City. So let me show you the sign right here. This is Julian Mining Company, and yeah, let's go look around. Going on to GCV Games, and yeah, so this is a mini video clip of the GoPro scene in the pool. You guys can see over there we have the hot tub very soon. Just a mini scenery. So we head to the hot tub. Now I'm gonna swim there. What's up, guys? This is Anthony from GCV Games. Welcome back to another mini vlog. So this is part 2 of my trip, a 2-day trip. So it lasted Saturday in the morning till right now in the morning in Sunday. And as you guys see, I did not record on the way to the hotel, but I did get a little bit of a shot of me in the pool. That will be included in the video. So here's the hotel, courtyard, Marriott, and yeah, so this is the scenery in the back. There's a mini lake, the lake right over here. Our hotel, if you guys can see, is I got coffee right there. Is right over there. Right there, you guys can see it right there. That's how it looks like. And so now we're going to take a little walk around the lake and around the hotel. So a little swamp. It's not that big. Some ducks. And yeah, if you guys don't know where this is located in San Diego. Some more parts of the lake. More ducks. It's a private park of Rancho Bernardo. Yep. There it is. Very nice. And there's the hotel again. And I think what this is a restaurant, Chinese cuisine. Very nice. You got, I think the freeway right there. Yeah, so we're planning to leave this area like later in the evening. We should start heading home like 5 o'clock. It's okay. Yeah. Ooh, we got a mini waterfall. I don't know how it's powered. It could be powered by a pipe or something. That's really cool. Pretty cool. Nice. Right over here we have the gym. Well, not the gym for the hotel. The gym, separate gym. Fitness center. So right after I record this is we're going to head to church in this area, 921. Kind of smells here. Some duck poop. Whatever. Here's a little. Head back up to the hotel room. So here's the dining area, breakfast and lunch area. Looks like back upstairs. I gotta get my jacket. On second floor. We are in room 210. Sorry for the mess, guy. Okay, where's my jacket? That's yours. Mine is right here. Okay, so. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm not gonna head to the pool because I went this morning, but there's a view of the pool right over here. So here's the room. 2 beds, not bad. TV, air conditioning, and so hold on 1 minute. Let me show you guys. Ooh, jacket. Okay. So if you guys notice right there, we got the pool. We don't want to record over here, but I guess you guys saw a glimpse. We have the hot tub on this side. It's a pretty long pool. It's 5 feet deep. That's the max. And I was right over there earlier. The pond, the lake.